Hi everyone, it's Miss Adams. Welcome to my virtual classroom that I've set up for you guys to use. There's lots of fun things on here. I just wanted to give you a quick little show of what to use. We will be using some of these together when we meet during our Zoom meetings too, but I wanted to give you access to them now so you can kind of play around and look at them and we can, so you're ready for when we are working together. So you will receive this right here, which is my virtual classroom. So everything in here is going to be clickable, that you can click on things and you can go to different activities, you can do fun activities, things we'll work on together. For example, the number line here takes you to some number games when you click on it. The alphabet here takes you to ABC. Yeah, I know lots of you guys love ABC. Yeah, lots of learning games, lots of fun things for us to do on there. Each bookshelf has a different game. This one here, we have Storyline Online, where you can look at hundreds of different stories, and they'll read them to you. Lots of different famous people read them to you. It's really fun to do. This one here, Children's Storybooks Online. You click on it, it's going to take you there. You're going to have lots of storybooks that you can read by yourself. You can read to mom or dad or aunt or uncle or anybody, or it will read it to you as well. This one here is Stories for Kids, free stories for you to read. All sorts of ages, all sorts of fun stories. The Read Here, mystorybook.com. You can make your own storybook and then you can send it to me, and I would love to see you guys make your own storybook, see what you guys do. I know you guys have some great ideas. We're going to talk about that. We'll probably work on it together for a little bit. If you click on this is my little virtual Miss Adams. If you click on her, she's going to take you to some free online games. There's more than just reading games here. There's math games, there's reading, there's all sorts of games at education.com. Lots of fun free games for you to play. Here, this one has 9 great virtual field trips for you to take. We might take some of these together. There's the zoos, there's all sorts of fun things that we can do. This one here that says Recess is just some more games that you can do inside the classroom, or on your computer when you can't go outside. Lexia Core 5, you guys have all been using that. This will take you to your Lexia login. Seesaw, this will take you to your Seesaw login. Go Noodle has lots and lots and lots and lots of fun videos, dance videos, all sorts of things for you to work on. The math games here are going to take you to a bunch of math games. When you click on it, let's see, the hundreds, tens, and ones chart over here is going to take you to base 10 blocks, so you can use those manipulatives on your computer to help you solve some of your math problems. And then this poster here is just here because I want you to remember that you are amazing and you've got this, and we can get through these next few weeks together, and we're going to get it done, and we're going to have a great time, and we're going to have lots of fun on here. So yeah, click around, explore. I'll be changing it up every once in a while, adding a few things here and there, taking some things away that we don't use as I find more fun stuff for you guys. But until then, go ahead and play with what we have here, and I hope to see you soon.